I don't think I've seen a group of videos like this in a very long time. What we have here is a crash in the corner that actually turned out pretty good. I'm glad that he's not hurt, but it was terrible with the mechanism of injury. And then we also have this Jeep driver that I don't know how you do it. I mean, you hit a parked motorcycle at the gas pumps. Guy had to be drunk or something. You'll see it in his eyes. It's all glazed over. Anyways, let's go to class and talk about it and then what we could do to hopefully not have these issues. All right, let's go.
All right. Oh, green does not always mean go. Let him through. Now go. Now go. There you go. Just get yourself out of there. All right, so it's red for us, probably green arrow for them. It just turned green for us. Now, we can't see because we have a line of sight problem with our own mirror. So that person decided to go. Right here. They still decided to go. This person's still going. What I would do is definitely wait for this person to start to leave and actually get closer to here. And then before I even get in, because I'm still scanning for people like this. Soon as I see this, you have to know that this person right here is going to go. They don't want to be in the intersection. They are just going to do it. So they're going to go. You just have to wait. You just have to wait. So to get mad is not good. To get yourself into here, now he realized it. We're going so slow. Use good progressive brake pressure. We can stop like literally right here and allow them to go. Let him move. End of story. Move on with your day.
Hurry up.
I would do the exact same thing he did. I would have told him, hurry up. I'm in a dangerous spot because you put me in a dangerous spot. Hurry up. If you're going to do it, do it. Move with a purpose. You know? He didn't honk the horn. He didn't rev bomb. He did nothing. He's like, you got to get out of here. So this person did a good job. Great job. All right, so chevrons, be very careful. It's going to be a sharp turn ahead. Probably too fast. Low side? Nope. Went off the road. Went a little too wide.
Oh, God, oh, God.
All right, so here, put yourself in a better position. Okay, good position. Double check everything. Looks like he's up and moving, so conscious,
okay, man?
breathing.
Yeah, sit down, man.
So he's walking.
Sit down, man.
Why are you getting in the road?
Sit down. He needs to make sure he's okay.
He's pissed. Guys, lifting a bike is not that hard.
Does he have does he have insurance and everything?
No, man, but
Oh God!
it's all right. Hey, you're alive. It gives you an opportunity to take.
You know, like this.
He's not home anyway.
All right. What are they talking about? All right, so this whole situation. So we're going to be riding. Remember, it's a sharp turn. Those chevrons are going to indicate that this is a dangerous area for a turn. It's going to be very sharp, so you're going to have to do your slow press and roll. Remember, orange stage, when it comes to these types of corners, going too fast into a corner like this, you're going to have problems. That means you're going to have to use more advanced techniques just to mitigate crashing. So we're going to get into here, and he's going to be turning. Now, it's a little blurry because we're having to zoom in on the GoPro. And then he's going to go a little wide and then go off-road. Now, at this point, remember, it's their emergency. They screwed up. So your job now is to get yourself in a position for safety, and if they do need medical help, there you go. You hopefully have the training for it, and you have the trauma kit. Now, for this person that crashed, obviously a failure of fundamental skills, maybe a failure in situational awareness, or just, it was a pure mistake. It's still a failure. Thankfully, he had full gear. So being a smart rider, first, you need to be situation aware, failed. Fundamental skills, failed. Acquire and utilize personal protective equipment, had it. Great. Now, the rider in the back, hopefully is a smart rider also, and is going to rescue this rider, which is what they do. So he does a good job by rescuing the rider. And at the end of the day, all it is just double checking, making sure he's okay. That's really what it is. Do an assessment. He's obviously up and moving, so we got blood flow going. He's screaming. He's getting pissed. He's got his airway breathing. You do have to check for any type of bleeds, though. That's something that sometimes it catches up to you. So check for any bleeds after that, and he's walking around. Seems to be fine. Now, if he's starting to ask questions over and over again, or he says that he has a headache, or he starts tumbling, it looks like he's drunk, probably traumatic brain injury, just lay him down.
Yeah, sit down, man.
Sit down.
Sit down, man.
Please sit down.
Yeah.
All right, so lifting a bike Just be careful. There's a way to do it. Lift with your legs, not your back.
I'm just so glad you're alive and
Yeah, he's doing good. Real quick, I'd like to say thank you to Cardo for sponsoring this channel. I'm actually using their cool little headset thingy thing so I could talk to my kids on their Cardo Pack Talks. Make sure you guys grab yourself a Cardo Pack Talk. Bold, slim, freecom, whatever you want. With the link in the description, you're going to get a discount. Anyways, let's get back. All right. Filling up. Make sure you put diesel. I'm just kidding. Don't put diesel in your fucking bike. Whoa.
What'd you just do that for?
Sorry about that.
What'd you just do that for?
So lucky.
No, sorry.
What'd you just do that for? Why
No,
did you
I
just hit
thought-
my
I
bike?
thought I could make the turn.
Why did you just hit my bike?
I just
I think he just ripped the exhaust.
Pull over right now. Pull over. Right now.
Look at the exhaust is all tore up. I think the dude's high.
Right now.
Yeah, get the plate.
I'm sorry.
Stay right there.
Hit the tire.
Alright, stay right there, please. Do not leave.
He is stoned.
Do not leave, okay? Do not leave. I'm calling the police. Stay right there.
Exactly that. I would do the exact same thing.
Sir, how you doing? Stay
Yep, hit and run.
there.
You got his plate.
Call 911. He just hit my bike. Call 911, please.
That dude is blazed. So, William Travis, the person that is riding the green bike, seems to always have trouble with gas stations. But this was true. This is like legit. Like, how did you screw this up? Look how much room he had. So we're gonna see it on. Look how much room he had. He could have easily made it. I mean, Jeeps have better turning radius than that. But this is how you handle the situation. Exactly how William Travis handled it.
No, sorry.
What'd you just do that for? Why
No,
did you
I
just hit
thought-
my
I
bike?
thought I could make the turn.
Why did you just hit my bike?
I just hit
Pull
the
over.
tire.
Pull over.
So it's exact. I would do the exact same thing. Just say pull over, and then while you're doing all this stuff,
Pull over.
yeah, he looks
Right now.
intoxicated. Boom, got his license plate. So if anything happens, you have it on camera. You can always get it back. And the cool thing with GoPros nowadays is you have the app, and then you also have the screen on the back, so you can actually see what it is. So if the cops do show up, give them the license plate, and they'll find him. They'll find him. And you made it
Do not
apparent.
leave,
Made it apparent that you don't want him to leave.
okay?
And as soon as you do this,
Sir, how you doing? Stay right there.
decides to leave. That's a hit and run. That person's going to have bigger consequences. Hopefully your bike is fine, William. You did exactly what I would have done. Good job.
Call 911, please.
Good job. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.